Hello my fly babies, hello my patrons, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday, and we have a 2-layer cake. First layer is our routines. What are the routines? Get up in the morning and do your morning routine, which includes making your bed, brushing your teeth, washing your face, putting on some moisturizer, putting on a little makeup if you wear it, a little perfume if you wear it, a little jewelry if you wear it, fix your hair, wipe out your sink, swish your toilet, leave the bathroom looking nice, hang your towel up, go in the kitchen, empty the dishwasher, put the dishes away from the dish rack, whatever, make a little breakfast or coffee. That's your morning routine. Did I tell you to make your bed first? Do that first. Okay. That's a morning routine. A child's morning routine follows yours, so they stay in bed until you're good and ready for them to get up, which means you've gotten yourself taken care of. If your kids consistently get up at 7 and you get up at 7, then may I suggest that you get up at 6:30. It'll make a big difference. You'll feel more in control and you'll have peace in your life. All right, waking up your children and then put them through their routine. So they're going to make their bed, wash their face, brush their teeth, get the toothpaste out of the sink, hang up their little hand towel, comb their hair. Maybe they might need your help. Get dressed, put their PJs away, come in the kitchen and have breakfast. That's a simple morning routine for a child. Then after we do our morning routine on Tuesday, we are going to do the laundry because it's another routine. Laundry happens every day of the week, and for those of you who work outside of the home, sometimes you might do some of this on Saturday, but not the morning routines. That happens every day, but the laundry might move to Saturday occasionally. I hope that you're doing it every day. All right, so you're doing your laundry. While the laundry's in there chugging along, you're going to grab an inch of paper and go through that and throw away and shred and put the action items in your inbox. It's a few minutes, just an inch, but you do it every day and it adds up. Inch by inch, it's a cinch. Yard by yard, it's hard. Okay, but you can get a yard's worth of paper done, and let's see. You get 1 foot done in 2 weeks, 2 feet done in 4 weeks. So in 6 weeks, you can get a whole yard of paper gone out of your house, doing it an inch at a time. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is keep an ear on that out for that laundry, because it's going to need to go in the dryer and then it needs to be taken out while it's nice and warm, folded or hang it up and put it away. That is doing the laundry, including the putting away part. Next, we're going to do, if you're a payroll fly baby, you're not going to do your laundry or paper right away. You're going to just go to work. When you come home, you're going to start your laundry and go through your paper. Okay. Now, the next routine that we're going to do is our after dinner routine. So that's routine number 4 of our 5 routines is after dinner routine. That is a whole family affair. If you have a whole family, everybody does something, nothing too big. It's done early and you can enjoy the rest of the evening. And then finally, your before bed routine. A quick rundown on that is before bed, you're going to make sure your children get a 30-minute reminder that in 30 minutes it's going to be bedtime, and then a 5-minute reminder. It's just kinder and more respectful way to get them in their head ready for bed. Then they're going to pick up the toys they were playing with and put them away. Nothing too complicated, nothing too intricate. Basically, like things go in a box together or a container together somewhere so that they can get it back out and play with it tomorrow. Okay? Next, we're going to have them pick out a story to read or a book to read. Then they're going to go get their pajamas and go in the bathroom. They're going to take their clothes off and put it in the dirty clothes and take a bath. Yes, children need to take a bath every day. They get the dead skin cells off. They need to get the germs off their body. There are diseases and things that are out there that need to be washed away so that it doesn't get a chance to settle on your children. Don't be fanatical. You know, they can miss every once in a while, but in general, yeah, your babies need a bath every day, okay? And might need their head washed depending on the child and the type of body chemistry they have. So after the bath, they're going to dry off, they're going to put on their PJs, they're going to hang their towel up. If they can't reach the towel rack, don't be cruel. Give them something to hang it on. Put a command hook hanger, a hook or something that they can reach. Okay, then they're going to brush their teeth, they're going to wipe out the sink, get that toothpaste out, and leave that bathroom looking the way it was when they came in. They're going to climb in bed about 15 minutes before it's actually time for them to go to sleep. Most children, when they're young, 7:30 is an honest to goodness good bedtime. But whatever your time is that you've chosen for your child, it gives them enough sleep. And then 15 minutes of reading a book. You can read to them, or they can read to themselves, or they can read to you, whatever. And then bedtime. And they're in the bed for the evening. Now you can take care of yourself. Your first thing you're going to do is check your planner. Here's your little planner. Check your planner. What's in it? What's happening tomorrow? So make sure you have the right clothes. You have the food laid out that you need to lay out. That you may have to go to the grocery store because it's Thanksgiving and you have a last minute thing you need to pick up that you forgot. Whatever, it's on this planner. Okay? And so you'll know what's happening tomorrow. Or you've got a special meeting you need to be in tomorrow, or whatever it is. So dress accordingly. So hang out your clothes. I like to hang mine behind the hook in the bathroom so that when I am in there in the morning, I can change my clothes and get dressed right after I've made the bed. Go in the bathroom, do all the routines in there, and change my clothes. All right, so next thing you're going to do is you're going to go in the kitchen and make sure all the dishes are in the dishwasher. And if it's not bedtime yet, maybe you're doing this before bed and you're not ready to go to bed yet, don't turn on the dishwasher if you think there's going to be more dishes. If not, go ahead and run the dishwasher. But it is time for you to wipe out the sink, put out a new towel, make it look fresh and pretty so in the morning when you come in it'll look nice. Then you're going to go and get your shower or your bath. If you take it in the evening, it's a great time to take it in the evening because it relaxes you. But in the morning it wakes you up, so it depends on what you need most. Just remember to figure it into your time and know that a shower can take as little as 3 minutes if you're not washing your hair. Soap up a cloth or get your scrunchie and get it soapy, start at your head and work your way down. Get yourself bathed and get out of there. No need to dawdle. Maybe you need to shave your legs. That's another 2 to 4 minutes. That's it. It's not a big deal. Don't make things harder than they have to be. I tell you that all the time. Then you won't resent it. You won't not want to do it because you're thinking, oh, it's such an ordeal. It's not an ordeal. Jump in, jump out. You're clean, get clean. All right, next thing you're going to do, brush your teeth, put on your moisturizer, make sure you got your makeup off, put on your moisturizer, put your clothes away from the day if they're still clean. If they're not, put them in the dirty clothes or spot them if there's a spot on them. What else did I leave out? I think that's it. Make sure you floss your teeth at least once a day to break up the little bacteria colonies between your teeth which cause cavities. It takes 24 hours for the bacteria colonies to build up, and it takes just a second to break them down. So you just go in there and you know how quick they do it at the dentist office? The reason is you don't need to get in there and do it forever. Just quick, get your teeth flossed once a day. I like the little handheld flosser. It works really good. Okay, next is maybe you need to make a lunch or anything like that. Maybe that has to be taken care of if you haven't done that yet. And then finally, before you go to bed, turn your lights off, make sure your curtains are closed, run your dishwasher, and go get in bed. If you want to read, it takes an adult oftentimes 30 minutes to relax. So consider 30 minutes before you need to be asleep. If you need to be asleep at 10 to get up at 6 because you're an 8-hour girl, then get in the bed at 9:30 so you can relax. There's lots of different sleep styles and lots of different personalities. Some people want the TV on all night and they sleep. Some people can't stand to have any noise in the room. Some people can't stand any light. My husband can't stand any noise or light, but he watches TV until after I'm asleep. It doesn't bother me, but if it bothers you, get a sleep mask, get earplugs, whatever it takes. You need your sleep. It's very important. If you're sharing your room with a partner, they have a different sleep style, then you have to accommodate by loving yourself and doing what you need to do. Okay. All right, so that's your routines. Ooh-wee, I spent a lot of time on those, but that's okay for now and then. We need a refresher. And then we're going to do the other thing on Tuesday, which is free day, which means it's a day to take care of yourself. So do your nails, get a facial, give yourself a facial, do something for yourself on this day. Not a default day that you say, wow, I didn't do anything but goof off all day. That'll be my free day. That's not what this day is. This is an on-purpose day, okay? And if you're working, you're still going to have a free day. When you come home, you're not going to do any zone work. You're just going to have a free day. You're going to do laundry, though. All the routines have to happen, but no zone work. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Tuesday, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.